It never passes for 4 years, 4 terms, sorry, in a row, that every budget hearing during the Philippine National Police turn, I always ask kung ilan yung nahuhuli na illicit cigarette. And it also emanated when Philip Morris, their family, was still operating in Claveria in one of our towns. It was a very huge company, and they had challenges with illicit cigarette that they were asking us in Congress when I was governor, when I was mayor, if we could actually push a little the security sector to apprehend illicit cigarette, because if we are not able to, they will be forced to close down Claveria plant, and many of our farmers and my people will have and will I was praying and hoping not, but we lose their jobs, their livelihood, and opportunity to improve their lives. Actually, I'm elated that we were able to do this. And I am very much elated that I was invited. This port was built when I was mayor of Taguluan. And the dream and the intention of the port was to hopefully find a facility where we will be able to maximize trade, business, economic opportunity for northern Mindanao as a whole and the entire islands of Mindanao. The intention was to build a facility, a port, where we are all able to access international trade. But sadly, some take advantage, some abuse the facility that we have here in PVDEC. That's why I'm so honored and happy that we are now able to apprehend, capture, and as stated by Deputy Commissioner Rosales, that not only drivers at Pahinante, even to the roots of those who actually try to take advantage and try to kill the economy that we have in the islands of Mindanao. I will never forget my dad had been telling us time and along, look at our islands in Mindanao, Deputy Commissioner Rosales. If you look at our seas, our harvest is so bountiful. From huge fishes to crustaceans, we even import to other countries. And yet, many of our people could not eat 3 decent meals a day. If you look at our mountains, it's so rich, virgin forest, cuts and trees and logs cut every day, made into very, very fine furnitures. And yet our people until today still use sackcloth to protect them from the warmth and the cold. Our rivers so strong. They can power energize Mindanao, and even we sell to neighboring provinces, Visayas. And yet many of our people still grope in the dark. What you have done on your 50th anniversary, when you apprehended, I see hope, I see future, and I pray, believe me, that if we consistently keep doing what we're supposed to do and apprehend those people who try to destroy the economy of Mindanao, I have no ifs, I have no buts. We will also develop like what you have in Luzon and maybe on other countries. As for the house, you can be assured, let this be a guarantee. In whatever way and capacity that I'll be able to help, please come, talk to me. If you need a bill, I will file it for you. If you need stronger laws, laws with teeth, I will file it for you. Make me an instrument to give not only Philippines, Mindanao, a better future.